Court is back in session in cause number 330132. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Marquisha Janae Rito. Ms. Rito, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Rito, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Rito, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Rito, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Rito?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Ms. Rito, you're represented here by your attorney, Peter Dahl. Attorney Dahl, how are you doing?
Pretty good, Judge.
Attorney Dahl, do you waive a record in Ms. Rito's case?
Oh, yes, sir. Sorry.
Ms. Rito, I have before me a document that has been filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. This document is titled Information. The information alleges that on or about June 1st of 2021, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of assault. Ms. Rito, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to this charge, Ms. Rito, how do you plead? Not guilty, guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Now, are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
You gotta
What
speak
did
up.
Sir?
Ms. Rito, are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Right.
Ms. Rito, I have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Information. Excuse me. It's titled the Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. On page 2 of this document, there are a set of initials. The initials are MR. Next to a box that's checked no contendere, which means no contest. Did you place your initials MR on this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 3 of this same document, there is a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Ms. Rito, did you sign this document?
Yes, sir.
On the next document that is titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, there's also a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Did you also sign this document?
Yes, sir.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes that are checked. The first box that is checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Rito, did you sign a document out there on paper that is titled Discovery Certification?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Rito, before you signed and initialed all of these documents that I've just mentioned to you, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you read it and understand everything in these documents?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Rito, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
I have before me State's Exhibit Number 1, the misdemeanor plea admonishment. State, would you like to offer State's Exhibit Number 1 and State's Exhibit Number 2, the probable cause affidavit?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No objection.
No objections. State's Exhibits 1 and 2 are admitted. Mr. Dahl, you have advised and counseled Ms. Rito. Is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, sir.
Ms. Rito, your attorney, Mr. Dahl, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Rito, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, Do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
Your Honor, the agreement is for 60 days, time served, court calls to be taxed and retired.
Ms. Rito, the state is offering that you serve 60 days in the Jefferson County Jail. However, you will not have to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail because you've already served 60 days in the Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you will be given credit for time served.
Thank you.
The court cost in this case is $387, but you will not have to pay the $387 because the time that you have spent in jail has already paid it off. Therefore, the court costs will be taxed and retired. Ms. Rito, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ms. Rito, as previously stated, the court accepts your plea of no contest. The courts find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. The court also find that your plea and waivers was freely and voluntarily given. The court has also found that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. And the court is going to follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Ms. Rito, this will conclude your case. You can follow the bailiff and you have a blessed day. And Mr.
Thank you,
Dahl,
sir.
you're welcome. And Mr. Dahl, this will conclude your case as well. You have a blessed day as well.
Thank you.
Well, thanks, Judge.